Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a shop on Big Cartel and actually design it. So let's get right into it. Now, once you go through the login process, the onboarding quiz, and once you verify your email, you're going to arrive at your dashboard, which is where I'm at right now. Here you'll see a checklist of what you can do for your site, where you need to set your location and currency, create your catalog, and enable checkout. But if you want to design your site, you need to go into your account tab in the top right, and here you'll see your shop design tab, which is the second from the top. From here, just click go to shop designer, and once you're there, you'll be able to design your site like so. Now here you can click on the elements that you want to change, and you can of course set up your settings right over here. You can set up a logo image, you can set up a hero image, which I'm not sure what the hero image is, but you can set it up. You have other options such as template settings, social media links, and shop sprinkles, which are fun animated emoji sprinkle effects, which you can add if you want. You can set up your font. So for example, I can switch to Arvo, which will then immediately load up. You can set your secondary font as well to whatever you want. So for example, let's say Bevan. Select that, it's going to reload, and that's what it looks like now. And you can also set up your color palette depending on what your needs are. So for example, text can be red. I'll set it up like so. The shop name text can be whatever you want. So let's say some sort of pinkish salmon-like color. Add that. And as you can see, you can design your site like that. You can also go to pages, add new pages. You can go to code and add your custom code, and you can also go to templates and select which type of template you would like. Now, I'm not exactly sure as to how you can possibly add different elements to your site. At least I'm pretty sure you can on this main page. However, if I add a new page, I'll just name it test. And now that we've added the test, you can just type in whatever you want over here. And once you add that, that's going to appear here. And that's pretty much what you are stuck with. You cannot really move the elements around and change their layout. However, you can select which templates you would like, and then once you select those templates, you will have differing, well, aesthetics on your site, pretty much. And that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.